Hey guys, my name is John with Rainy Day Restoration. Today I wanted to take a quick minute and talk to you about what happens when you have a water loss at your property. Could be a home, could be a business, doesn't matter to us. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to send out a site inspector to just identify the areas that are wet, the areas that are dry, so we make sure we have a custom tailored drying plan to your location. After that, we're going to take care of your contents. They're important to you and they're important to us. A lot of companies will use temp labor to package up your items. We're going to use a professional moving company to package up items if they need to be moved. That way they're wrapped professionally, they're taken care of professionally, and we're not worried about breakages or things like that. After that, we're going to take care of demolition. Anything that needs to be removed. Could be carpet, could be padding, could be wood floors, things like that that are just damaged from the water and non-salvageable. We're gonna pull those out and help things dry faster. After that, there's gonna be some dust and debris left over, and so we're gonna clean it up. We're gonna use HEPA grade vacuums to clean the areas, make sure that we get all that fine dust as we can, and just leave the area as clean as we possibly can before we put any equipment on it, because we don't want to blow that around and kind of dirty things up. As we want to keep it as clean as we can. After the cleaning, we're going to sanitize the area by using an antimicrobial. It's going to kill any type of fungus, bacteria, viruses, things like that. After that, we're going to place professional grade drying equipment. That's going to pull the moisture out of the air, out of the structure, and deposit it in a sanitary sewer so that your framing is dry, your sheetrock is dry, everything that was wet is now going to be dry and it's going to be ready for reconstruction. So that's kind of our process in a nutshell. There's a lot more that goes into it than that, but just wanted to give you a brief update or a brief review of what we do. Thanks for watching. This is John with Rainy Day Restoration. Give us a call.